Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to add roles on Discord mobile. If you enjoy this content, make sure to like, subscribe, and let's get started. So first guys, open Discord and then come back and go to the server that you want to add the roles on it. For example, I'll select this server and tap the name of the server, then go to settings and then scroll down and tap roles, then tap create role. At the first here, write the name of the role. For example, I'll write moderator. So now I'm trying to create a new role to moderators, okay? Then select the color of the role. For example, I'll select this one and tap save. Then tap create, as you can see here. Then tap create. Perfect. Now here set up permissions. Now guys, you can select the permissions that you want to give to these roles. For example, I'm writing moderator, then I'll give him a moderator permissions. So moderator can delete any messages, can mute people in voice chat, can kick or ban members, and also can team out members, okay? Then tap select, and here the last step is to add the members to these moderators. Well, I'll add this one and tap finish. Perfect. Now let's create another rules. Tap plus icon and then here give a name for the new roles. For example, members, and select the color. For example, I'll select the blue, then save, then tap create. And here select the permissions. For example, I'll select member and add the members to these roles, okay, or add the people to these roles. Then skip this step. Perfect. Now come back and tap again on the rules, and this is the rules that we created. So this is how you can create roles on Discord server. Thank you so much for watching me. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and see you to the next video.